good, YouTube? It's your girl Dunks, and I am back again with another freaking video. And in today's video, I'm going to recreate Rihanna'S Vogue look. I'm gonna try at least. I think I can do it. I think so. So I'm gonna recreate Rihanna'S Vogue look that she did with the really thin eyebrows with the flowers, and I'll post a picture of it right there. And I'm gonna see if I can do it. This is gonna be a trial because I never tried it before, but I've been watching. I saw Alicia Ashley did it, and I've seen a lot of pictures. I'm gonna try it. So let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start by using like just this little glue stick that I got from Dollar Tree. I got like a whole pack just in case it didn't want to work. Like one of them didn't want to work, so. And I'm just gonna glue. Is this like a bad glue stick? I mean, it was from Dollar Tree, so I can't really. Wow, so this isn't sticky at all. Okay, so I also have this glue. So I'm gonna wipe this stuff off because it's just not working for me. Okay. Open up this Elmer's glue, but this one like is in a pin, so I really don't know how well this is gonna go, but I'm gonna try it anyway. I feel like Elmer should be better. Okay. Okay, so now that I have that dry, and my eyebrows are like super sticky right now. Oh yeah, they're not going anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And just... You can still see my eyebrows, so this is a flop. Third time is the charm, so I took everything off again, re-glued my eyebrows, and that took 10 minutes, so I did that off the camera. And all I did was actually use the glue stick, but I just used another glue stick. Glued my eyebrows down, which is probably why you see a little shine on this one. And then I'm going in with my Pro Concealer in orange. I saw James Charles do this, so it has to work. Okay, so I'm packing that on because I'm like, orange concealer shades or helps with dark circles, so why not help with dark brows, right? Right. Now I was going in with a sponge, but I'm supposed to be going in with a brush, so I'm just gonna use this one. So we're gonna blend this out. Oh my goodness, I don't got no eyebrows. I keep looking at myself in the TVs to see what you guys, like in the monitor to see what you guys see, and I oh my goodness, Riri. Okay, just making sure I don't have no brows showing or popping out. Ooh, I'll tell you one thing, this itch, which is crazy because we all strive to have like good brows, and now I'm covering mine up. We're supposed to be going out to eat soon, and oh, my face itches. Holy moly here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Airspun Loose Face Translucent Powder. So now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty, what is this called? Pro Filter Foundation. Wow, why didn't I know that? And my color is in 390. Alright, so her eyes like have this like subtle thing going on, and I'm normally not a subtle person at all, so this should be fun. So I'm going in with my Morphe colors in my 350 palette. And then she kind of has like this muted brown, but it's not too dark. So I'm gonna go with this. I said not too dark, meanwhile I'm in the dark shade. This eye look is like super simple, which is crazy. Like you would think it wouldn't be so simple, but it is. And I think that's what literally makes it look so good. Okay, that's done. Then she kind of went in and caved out like in a lighter color. Alright, so that's the eye look. And I'm gonna put on some mascara, and I'm gonna use the Essence. So that's the mascara. And then she had some like eyelashes on. So I'm gonna reach into my vault of little eyelashes that I kind of put together. I'm gonna take these. Okay, so I'm back. I put the eyelashes on. Now it's time for the eyebrows. And I'm really nervous because this part is really particular on how like thin they are. So I'm gonna take my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm not gonna talk during this. I'm so nervous. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is crazy. Okay, then I gotta do the other one the exact same way. So that one's a little bit more like. This side's way better. Oh, that's up top. This side is way better than this side. But I look so crazy. Oh my goodness. I can't even tell if I nailed it or not. Like, so now it's time for the lips. And she has like this dark lip. A dark purple, so I'm just gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution lip gloss. So she has like this little bit of red going on the inside. So I'm gonna take back Black Radiance lipstick in 5010. The Mary J. Blige concert tickets are sold out. That's what I look like. Alright, I'm not sure if she wears a little bit of blush, so I'm gonna check that. But she has a slight amount of blush on. Okay, so this is the look that she did, and she has like flowers going around her head. So this is Rihanna'S Vogue finished look. I think I nailed it. I'm just gonna put it right there so you guys can see. I believe I nailed it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. And then her hands are just like, just pose for a second for you guys to get into this look. I really like this side. This was absolutely so much fun. I cannot believe I just did this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. It was kind of fun. I've never actually did something for the first time on camera. So you guys really just sat through with me on me trying so hard to get these eyebrows to be glued down, and now they are. And I'm so excited. I don't know if you could tell by my face. This was so, I don't don't know why I'm clapping. This was so much fun. I was going to spray my face with the Fit spray, but I'm going to go wash it off because my mom is not going to let me out the house looking like this trying to go to Shake and Crab. So, this here is the finished look. And like I said, I'm excited. I don't know why I'm keep repeating myself, but I'm just so excited that I pulled something off like this. I don't know if you guys have been on my Instagram lately, but I did post 2 photographs of my other eye looks that I've tried. And I don't know. I'm going to have to really get a picture of this. This is crazy. I don't even know if you can really see the definition of the red. But thank you guys so much for watching. It was a pleasure of mine. Please do not forget to subscribe. Like, if I may just make a video on how to subscribe to someone's YouTube channel, because there's 88% of you guys now that are not subscribed but are watching my videos. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. You can link it with your Gmail, your Yahoo, whatever you would like. Just hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Right now I'm at 160 subscribers and I'm excited because I started from a low number of 40. So thank you guys so much if you are subscribed. If you're not, what are you waiting on? And make sure you hit that bell for notifications for every time I upload. And that is it for this finished look. How do you guys feel? Please leave a comment down below. I gotta go because I'm hungry. Peace out.